So that is how you can easily and mentally find the gradient and the intercept of any given equation of a straight line. Now, for better understanding, let's consider a few more examples. On to example number 2. Determine the gradient and the y-intercept of the following straight lines. So we have three different equations of a straight line, which requires us to find the gradient and the y-intercept. So now, starting with the first one, we are given that part A is such that 3y plus 4x is equal to 6. Now, to get the gradient, likewise the intercept, the process still remains the same as what we have been doing right from start. We basically need to isolate y. That is, we need to solve for y. So to do this, let's try to subtract 4x from both sides. Thus, we have 3y plus 4x minus 4x to be equal to 6 minus 4x. Excellent. So right now at this point, we can clearly see that plus 4x minus 4x will cancel out at the left hand side. Left over is 3y. And for the right hand side, we have 6 minus 4x left. Excellent. Now, since our goal is to get y alone and not being attached with any other thing else, basically we can divide through by 3. So dividing all through by 3, we now clearly have the left hand side to now be left over with y alone. And 6 divided by 3 is simply 2 minus 4x over 3. Now, to have this in the proper way, I can have y to be equal to minus 4x over 3. It's just assuming rearranging it, then plus 2. And this gives us our answer in the slope form, okay? In the slope intercept form. So basically, remember I told you that whatever value is now being attached with x would be your gradient, which means in this case, the gradient will be minus 4 over 3. And our intercept will be whatever is standing in the middle. So the y-intercept will be equal to 2. So C will be equal to 2. And that gives us the answer to part A. So this is how you can easily and mentally find the gradient and the intercept along the y-axis of any given equation of straight line. Any question?
Yes, sir. What do you say is the slope of equation of a straight line in the gradient form?
Okay, the formula for the equation of a straight line in the gradient form or in the slope intercept form is given as y equals mx plus c. Remember, I told you that where m is